Unraveling the mystery of patch cables. Hello, and welcome to today's English language learning session. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind the term patch cable. It's a common phrase, especially for those interested in electronics or music. Stay tuned as we break it down for you. A patch cable is a type of electrical or optical cable used to connect, patch in, one electronic or optical device to another for signal routing. Devices of different types are connected with patch cords. These cables are usually short to avoid signal loss and maintain quality. Patch cables serve a variety of purposes. They are often used to connect different pieces of audio equipment. For example, a guitar can be connected to an amplifier with a patch cable. They are also widely used in computer networking, to connect network devices. Patch cables come in different lengths and colors, and the type of connector will vary depending on its use. For audio purposes, you might see 1/4 inch or 3.5 mm connectors, while for networking, an RJ45 connector is common. Don't confuse patch cables with longer network cables or power cords. They have different uses. Patch cables are specifically designed for connecting devices in close proximity. And that's a wrap on patch cables. We hope this explanation helps clarify what a patch cable is and how it's used. Remember, the key to learning is curiosity, and asking questions is the best way to feed it. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.